state of Arizona has seen an increase in scams and fraud against senior citizens. As Attorney General, would you take steps to mitigate these cases through your office?
Yes, we need to put more emphasis on defending seniors and defending consumer fraud generally and prosecuting it. And I mentioned to you that one of the first things I would do would be, because one of the reasons that we've had problems is the cutback in the budget. But one of the first things I would be to expand the civil remedy section, where the lawyers seize assets from drug smugglers and from money launderers, and that money then becomes available to the Attorney General's office to use for other purposes, such as defending seniors and pursuing consumer fraud. And that is what is needed to do to find those revenues, because every single one of those lawyers makes many times his or her salary in the money they bring into the Attorney General's office, and they've been cut back so far that they've told me that they have to turn away good cases. I want to mention one thing. Sheila Polk was mentioned. Andrew Thomas chose Sheila Polk to bring the second round of cases against Don Stapely after the first round was dismissed, because she's a lifelong conservative, a lifelong law and order prosecutor. And she said in a very brave letter, "I am a conservative and passionately believe in limited government, not the totalitarianism that is spreading before my eyes," referring to the prosecution of political opponents by Mr. Thomas. "Our power granted us by the people is not a personal tool to target political enemies or avenge perceived wrongs." Exactly what the court said. And you know how he reacted? He attacked Sheila Polk, and he said he was going to report her to the FBI for throwing the case because she wanted to be a judge and wanted to aggrandize herself with the judges, a charge nobody in the state believed except Andrew Thomas.